Before we dive into this incredible time capsule, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep history alive and brings more of these restored gems to your screen. Now, look at this. June 11th, 1949. The world was changing, and these men in hats were the ones holding the wrenches. What was it like to be a supervisor when steel was king? Notice the dress code. It's a picnic, but you won't see a single pair of shorts or a t-shirt. These are the steelworkers of the Homestead District Works. Even on a day off, a man wore a fedora and high-waisted trousers. It was a matter of dignity. Look at those cars in the background. Massive, chrome-heavy beasts like the 1948 Chevy or a Plymouth. In 1949, a car wasn't just transport. It was a trophy of the post-war boom. What are they doing? No smartphones, no music speakers. They are literally painting lines for a horseshoe tournament, or maybe a game of washers. It's manual, it's physical, and it's deeply social. The Lithuanian country club setting tells us another story, the ethnic patchwork of Pennsylvania. These were sons of immigrants who climbed the corporate ladder at Carnegie-Illinois Steel. They were living the dream their fathers built in the furnaces. Look at that swing. This isn't just a casual game. It's a battle for office bragging rights. Note the camera work. This was shot on 16mm color film, likely Kodachrome. In 1949, this was high-tech and expensive. The person filming this, maybe the big boss, wanted to capture the sun, the grass, and the camaraderie in vibrant hues. The restoration brings out the textures of the white shirts against the deep green of the Pennsylvania hills. It's almost 4K-like in its clarity, isn't it? And here is the heart of any 1940s picnic, the refreshment stand, or as we call it, the beer garden. Shadows, white shirts, and cold drinks. You can almost smell the tobacco and the grilled sausages. There's a wonderful moment when an older gentleman walks out of a corrugated shed. He looks like he's seen the 19th century and isn't quite sure about the 20th yet. Humor us. Is he looking for his lost hat or the secret stash of moonshine? What did the creators want us to see? Prosperity. After years of depression and a world war, this picnic was a victory lap. Today, we have corporate team building with Zoom and PowerPoint. Back then, team building was a wooden bat, a cold beer, and looking your colleague in the eye. It feels more real, doesn't it? As we see the end sign, we're reminded that these men built the bridges we still drive across. They were the foundation.
Wait, don't go yet. Like a modern Marvel movie, this 1949 film has its own post-credits scene. Even though the official end title card flashed, the camera kept rolling. We're back on the field, but the intensity of the game has shifted to something much more important: the feast. Look at these guys tackling corn on the cob. In 1949, this was the ultimate summer comfort food. It's messy, it's democratic, and it's pure Americana. No fancy catering, just fresh corn, butter, and salt. It's a reminder that no matter how high you are on the corporate ladder, everyone looks the same when they're trying to eat corn without losing their dignity.
This extra footage tells us that the cameraman didn't want the day to end.
He wanted to capture the chewing, the laughing, and the grease on the chins. It makes these historical figures feel like our neighbors or our grandfathers. This is the real American dream. Not just steel and skyscrapers, but a sunny Saturday, a close game, and a sweet ear of corn. They were building a world where this was possible for everyone. And maybe, just maybe, we should put down our phones more often and pick up a baseball bat, or at least a cob of corn. Thanks for traveling back to 1949 with me. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. What's the weirdest thing you noticed in the background? Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next decade.